Hello folks, how are you? Welcome to the Tech Educator. So, today we will be learn about how to install the Python into the Windows 10. So, for that we have to open the browser and search with a Python download. You will get a first link from python.org. Click on that. You will be redirected to the download page. Here you can see the latest version for Windows. Click on it to download Python. Once it is downloaded, click on X file to install it. It will open Python installer. Here you can see there is two options showing below. Use admin privileges and add python.exe to path. Check on both boxes and continue to custom installation. Now you can see the optional features like documentation, pip and other options. Pip will use to install the Python packages. We'll keep all the things same and click on the next button. Here you need to check install Python 3.13 for all users, and here we can see the custom install location. If you want to install on other location, then change here or keep as same. And click on install button. It will ask for the admin privileges. Just click on the yes and it will start installing Python. It will take around 2 to 3 minutes. Here I am fast forwarding the process. It is successfully installed. Here you can check the documentation and online tutorial links. Now we will check if Python is installed properly or not. Click on Start, search for CMD and open command prompt. Here we will check Python version. Python version. Okay, here you can see the Python 3.1 is installed. Now we will run first program. For that type py and hit enter. I am printing my channel name Tech Educator using Python. It is working fine in CMD. Now we test development environment which is provided by Python, which is called idle. Open Windows and search for idle. Then this interface will come. You can use this same as CMD. I am executing same print program in IDEL. Please like, subscribe and share this video. Program is executed fine. In this environment you can save this program as well. The file will saving with .py extension. You can open this file in other software like Sublime as well. Thank you for watching this video. Let me know in comment section if you have any query.